Hey, good morning everyone. Today I will show you the power blender by Sinbo, or the from blender from China. As you can see here, this is Milux, this is Sinbo. Okay, and it has on and off button. On the left, on the right is double the speed, and on the center is the lever from low speed. You can adjust it from low speed to medium speed and high speed 15. Okay, and it has one jack. The lid, lid is good quality. The jack is also good quality. As you can see, the blade have 4 on the upper side, and the downside is 4 also, so it can crush ice or fruit or anything that you want to crush, no problem, I think. Okay, the plug is from China, I think, the double pin, and in Malaysia we use this adapter 3 pin. And then and in Malaysia we use this adapter. Just plug it in and on, and we can see the power. Push this to adjust the speed. And this is the double speed. So that's all for now for Sinbo made in China product of power blender. That's all.